Okay, for this I'll just go through this question. Okay, take a look at this question. This is question 3. It's towards the back of your worksheet. Okay, take a look at this question. This is a fraction times whole number. Okay, so for this what you need to do is 2/3 times 4. So what you need to do is put 4 over 1. Any number, any whole number that you see, you just put over 1. Okay, then you just do the MRT method. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, this is a mixed number. So what you need to do is you just do the swimming pool method. Okay, swimming pool method. 8 over 3. Go to the 3 house. Is there 8? No. So just choose 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then after that, do the swimming pool method. 2 whole equals to 2 whole 2 over 3. Okay. Now next question. Okay, this one is something which I've gone through a couple of times. If the volume for finding the volume, if the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder is as stated below, what is the formula for finding the depth of a cylinder if the volume is given? Step 1, look at the options first. Okay, all options here has H. H. Okay, so not to worry. Now all you need to do is just remove the H. Okay, remove the H and then you're left with this thing. This one looks like a T, but it's actually called pi. So this one you just draw a line here below the V, put pi r square. That. So basically this one you just transfer below here. Okay, now you look at the options. Which one is it? V over pi r square. So the answer is D. Okay, can? Okay, if you are still unsure, you can just rewatch this video again. Can, Suchin? Remember, WPN 5. You can go to ITE. Okay, next question, this one. Box 1 and box 2. This one I've gone through with you before. So box 1 and box 2, just choose 3 over 8. Okay, box 1, box 2. Answer is 3 over 8. Okay, next. Okay, box 1 and box 3. If you see box 1, box 3. Okay, box 1 and box 3 answer is 9 over 8. Okay, box 1 and box 3 answer is 9 over 8. Okay. Okay, next question, this one, yes, this one is a bit challenging. Okay, so what you need to do is find the volume of box 1. Okay, volume of box 3 is L equals to 6 3 over 4, B equals to 1.5, and H equals to 3 whole 3 over 4. Look for the one which has the word same. So same. Okay, so here same. Huh? So this one is the second one. First, second, third. So the second one is here. Okay. So we just need to focus on 1.5. Then this one is half. Half the width of box 1. So you just need to put here half. So what you need to do is you need to divide. So take 1.5 divided by half. Okay, this one is the same thing. Okay, whenever there's a mixed number, you need to make it change it to a mixed improper fraction. So copy the 2, copy the 2. So here becomes 2, 2. Next step, put a times plus. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Divided by half. Okay, now here you have to use a KFC method. 3 over 2, divide becomes times. This one flip. So it becomes 2 over 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Now use the swimming pool method. So here minus 6 on top of 3. Okay, so here becomes 3 whole 0 over 2. So whenever there's a 0, this one you just copy this as, just take the whole number. Okay, so now look for the B. So the B is 3. So look at the options. Look for the options which has 3 for B. This one is half. This one is 1. This one is 3. Okay, so the answer is Can? Okay. And so let's recap on this again. So you have to remember, box 1, box 2, answer is 3 over 8. Okay. Box 1, box 2, answer is 3 over 8. Okay, this one if you can remember, you just click the answer. Okay, next, box 1 and box 3. Box 1 and box 3, answer is 9 over 8. Okay, box 1, box 2 is 3 over 8. Box 1 and box 3 is 9 over 8. Next one, box 1. Okay, box 1 here, answer is 3. Okay, now next, this question. This question, if you are WPN 7, moving on to WPN 8, this one will come out. Okay, jackets are on sale. Last month price was reduced by half. This month it is cut again by 2/3. Okay, step 1, what I need to do is copy this half. Step 2, focus at the denominator. So then you just copy 3 over 3. Then minus the number here. Okay, this one you just transfer over here. Okay, now here denominator the same, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So here you just half times 2 over 3. Answer is B. Okay, so this one I will repeat again how to do this question, because you never really get to do this question. Okay, step 1. Step 1, look at this one. This one we just copy. Step 2, look at 1 over 3. So you can just look at the denominator. What's the denominator? Denominator is 3, so you just make it 3 over 3. Minus, this one bring over here. Okay, then it becomes 2 over 3. And here you just combine them together. Okay? Can? Okay. Next one. This question. Okay, Melvin works at a restaurant. He gets 1.5 overtime. His overtime pay is 50% more than his regular pay of P dollars per hour. He clocked in 40 hours. So here 40 hours. Okay, and 6 hours. So if you see the word N, you must put a plus. Here 40, put 40. Here 6, put 6. Okay, can. Now what you need to do is, just look. 40P. This one you have to combine them together. This P, right? Put here. Okay, now let's take a look. 40P, look at the options. 40P, this one is the same. This one is not, so this one is out. This one is 40P, but here is plus, but this one is times, so this one is out. Next one you see 40P, 40 plus P, not the same, so this one is out. Okay, now you see this one, A, 40P plus same, 6 also same. So what you need to do is this one, you just put a bracket, 1.5P. Okay? So this one, basically this one you just need to combine. Make sure there is no space here. See this one here, there's 40 times P, but this one I don't want, I just want it to be combined. Make sure there's no gap in between. Okay, now let's look at another example. Okay, Ali earns P wage on weekdays. He earns 1.5 times more in the weekends. He worked for 40 hours on weekdays and 8 hours on the weekend. How much did he earn altogether? So next, this one, first one, 40 hours N. See, notice the word N. What should you do? Put a plus. Here 40, put 40. Here 8, put 8. Okay. Now let's see what do they want. This one is what they are using, P. So here put P. Now let's see, 40p plus 8. 40p plus 8. Okay, now see 40p plus 8. This one could be 40p plus 8. This one could be 40p plus. This one is not 8. So here is wrong. Oh, this one is not plus. This one is times. Oh. Okay, now like I told you before, this one is just very straightforward. Here you need to put bracket similar to the one on top. See? This one is just 40p plus 6 bracket 1.5. There is no plus or minus over here. This one don't have, nothing. Okay? So the answer for this one also should be the same. 40p plus 8. And you just see, this one is 1.5 plus. There's a plus here. I don't want this. So this one is out. So the answer is 40p plus 8. 3 over 2. Done. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, next question. Okay, next question. Let's take a look at this. Kids' jacket are on sale. The store wants to clear merchandise. Last month, price was reduced, selling price by half. This month is cut again by 1/3. What is a fraction of the final price F of the original price P? So what should you do is, this one same thing. This one is half, copy. Okay, now you see here, 1/3. Copy the denominator and write this as 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3. This will give you 2 over 3. Then you just put it here, and you just put the multiply here. Okay, so the answer is half P times 2 over 3. Okay, this one is the same thing, so you can try by yourself. Okay, this question. The shop is expecting increasing sales of 10% every month. The shop sold 220 shirts this month. Patricia wants to project sales for the company. How many shirts would the manager expect to sell in the next 2 months? This one is next 2 months. So first month he sell 220. So 220. Okay, so for this what you need to do is 220. Here is how many percent? 10%. 10 over 100 times 220 over 1. Cancel, cancel, cancel the zeros. Here's 22. Next step, what you need to do is you must plus 22. 220 plus 22. This will give you, oops. Here is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here's 2 for 2. This is the first month. Now it's the second month. Again, 10 over 100 times 2 for 2 over 1. Cancel, cancel. So here you get 2 for 2 over 10. So here move 1 time back. You should get 24.2. So you must plus. Here don't take the 0.2. So here is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here is 2. So the nearest answer is 266. Okay. Can?